Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I will show you how you can cancel your Tinder Gold subscription, or if you have any other subscription on your Tinder, then this is basically the video on how to cancel that subscription. So now this depends entirely on whether you downloaded your or purchased your subscription on iOS or Android. It will be pretty much the same. So you'll need to open your iPhone settings on iOS and tap your name, and then you can hit subscriptions, and from there you can obviously go and uncancel or cancel Tinder Gold subscription. Now if for some reason you don't see this, you need to go and contact Apple support if you purchased it from iOS. However, if you purchased it from Android, you need to go to the Google Play App Store, and from there at the top right, tap the profile icon and tap payments and subscriptions. From there, you can go click subscriptions, select the subscription you want to cancel, and then just tap cancel subscription. This will completely cancel the Tinder Gold subscription. And obviously, if you have any other issues, you can always go to the tinder.com, tap the profile icon, and then select manage payment account and click cancel subscription, or contact them directly if you have any issues regarding the canceling Tinder Gold subscription. So if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.